A leading world corporation in the field of extremely rapidly degradable products, Hypsy Company decided to introduce onto the Polish market a new, revolutionary product, ingestible energizing happiness, under the brand name Happy. Expecting a huge marketing success, the company also made a decision to simultaneously release it in all possible variations, as an energy bar, diet chips, effervescent tablets and a carbonated beverage. This last variant, as the main representative product, was to be sold in a 4-pack. Happiness Happy appeared on store shelves accompanied by the largest in history advertising campaign starring numerous Polish and foreign celebrities. For the first time, the TV stations reached the state when commercials were shown 24 hours a day. It was a marketing hit. The Hypsy Company, riding on the wave of success, decided to promote a couple of new versions, a magic tongue-coating powder and multi-flavor Bullion Cube. The general manager of Hypsy was immediately promoted to the position of the CEO for the regions of Central Europe and Afroasia. After 3 months the sales fell rapidly, almost reaching zero in the month of M4+. A series of consumer market studies was conducted. The main conclusion was, customers don't want to be happy. They are much more effectively motivated by misfortune. The Hypsy Company decided to develop a new product, with working name Osoremio. At the same time, a small firm from Kotkowo began selling regionally boxes of chocolates called That's Sad, in dark unsweetened chocolate, and That's Sad Economy Pack. This was nothing else than unhappiness packaged multi-flavor as chocolates produced locally from natural domestic ingredients. After 2 months, the unhappiness from Kotkowo caught interest of several major hypermarket chains and the chocolates began to be produced under license. Their popularity surpassed the wildest expectations of the company's owner from Kotkowo, who in a fit of happiness, threw himself off a bridge. The sales grew even without any advertising. Soon the That's Sad chocolates became the most popular birthday, name day, and holiday gift in Poland.